A local immigration attorney says his office has now been flooded with new clients who want to know how Title VIII will affect their situation. And many are confused on what it means. KENS 5 reporter Andrew Moore explains what Title VIII means and how the Biden administration's new policies will affect the border. Andrew?
Immigration attorney Gerardo Menchaca says that these new policies may or may not be good for immigrants at the border, just depending on their current situation. Here's what he told us today.
We are coming with the relief that our laws provide to the individuals in need.
The Biden administration's new rules will bring changes for migrants at the border, and a local immigration attorney helped us outline those changes today. First, this affects asylum claims.
Under Title 42 is that no claim had to be heard.
Previously, migrants were not guaranteed a chance to make an asylum case when they crossed the border legally. Now they will have that opportunity, but only if they meet qualifications.
You had to have either sought asylum in another country that you passed through or use one of the legal pathways available.
So if a migrant didn't ask for asylum elsewhere, they may have fared better under Title 42. Also, under the Title VIII rules, there are criminal penalties for crossing illegally, and entering the U.S. illegally could bar you from legal claims in future years. Under Title 42, those rules weren't enforced. Finally, according to official statements today, citizens from multiple countries could now be quickly deported to Mexico if they don't have a legal asylum claim.
Mexico announced they will continue to accept the removal of nationals from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela. Those returns will begin happening today.
So, depending on where a migrant came from, their chances of staying in the U.S., even a short time, could be much lower. And finally, it's also important to mention that the Biden administration is facing lawsuits from both sides of the aisle right now, so these policies are very much subject to change. Live at the Immigration Courthouse downtown, Andrew Moore, KENS 5.
Thank you, Andrew.